Good morning, dear children. This is your science teacher. So, open your science textbook and open page number 14. So, yesterday we have studied about lots of minerals and vegetables, sources of vitamin C, vitamin A, B, C, D, and then what do various nutrients do for our body. Dear kids, today we are going to study about the balanced diet. So today in this video we are going to study about the balanced diet, that is point number 2.3. So what is meant by balanced diet? The food we normally eat in a day is our diet for growth and maintenance of good health. Our diet should be have all the nutrients that all our body needs in right quantity, not too much of one and not too little of other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such as diet is called as balanced diet. That means you should eat a balanced diet, not a very little amount of diet, or it should be not a large amount of particular diet. So that is known as the balanced diet. Do you think that the people of all ages need the same type of diet? And do you also think that what we need for a balanced diet would depend on the amount of physical work we do. For this, let's take a look on this particular slides so that you can easily understand what is balanced diet is. So, dear children, let's take a look on this. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. Okay, a balanced diet contains sufficient amount of fiber and various nutrients to ensure good health, and the food should be also provide the appropriate amount of energy, that adequate amount of water. Okay, so a balanced diet should be both adequate and wholesome. What is the balance? Why is the balanced diet is important? So it is essential for a healthy body and a healthy mind. You are what you consume. Okay, if you are eating healthy food, then you may get lots of diseases. If you are unhealthy food, if you are eating unhealthy food, you got lots of diseases. And if you are taking healthy food, so your mind and your whole body will be the healthy. Then a balanced diet is important to maintain health and sensible body weight, and no single food will provide all nutrients. It is essential for a balanced diet. That means not a single food contain all of the nutrients. So for that you should eat lots of nutrients food in a one particular balanced diet. So a balanced diet that is must contain sufficient amount of nutrients, as you know, that such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. So improper diet may result in failure to flourish, and poor growth, poor development, poor physical and mental health, infection diseases, and even a death also. So you should always take a proper diet. And then, but even if you take over diet, it may leads to, okay, this is for the improper diet. Okay, when you are taking improper diet, that means imbalance in your diet. And this is for if you take over diet, that means if you eat over, that means you should gain weight, insulin resistance, diabetes, obesity, that means fatness, heart condition, many other diet related diseases, and death. Okay, so that may cause when you over diet, when you eat more and much more unhealthy food. And the objective of balanced diet and a healthy diet. Okay, so what is the objectives? To achieve a healthy weight and energy balance, elimination of trans fatty acid and saturated fats, consumption of unsaturated fatty acid, intake of simple sugar and be limited. Okay, that means your balanced diet should be in limited amount. Include a high amount of vegetables, fruits, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. Intake iodized salt and limit consumption of sodium. Okay, you should intake the iodized salt always, and for that you should be healthy, remain forever. And then essential amino acid, that is nothing but the protein. You should in the form of major part of diet. That means you should eat lots of protein in your diet, and avoid consumption of food substances containing artificial preservation and carcinogens. That means you can say the cold drinks, and food contaminated with human pathogen should be strictly avoided. Okay, that means you can say the street food must be avoided. Limit in intake of caffeine and alcohol must be avoided, and inclusion of vitamins, minerals and fibers in diet, and consume plenty of water. So this should be prefer in your whole diet. Then healthy balanced diet plan. So what is the healthy diet plan? So what is the balanced diet plan? Simply avoiding consumption of carbohydrate and fats doesn't imply you are on a balanced diet. Okay, when somebody is on diet now and they just ignoring having food, so by ignoring the food, it's not the proper balanced diet. You must know that carbohydrates and fat energize to body. It gives us energy to perform activities. It allows you to remain active. Okay, so people who are striving towards weight loss goals should limit rather than curtailing them completely. So if you are doing the, you can say, dieting, so you must know the proper intake of the food and proper nutrition of the food. Then a proper combination of fruits, vegetables, grains and dairy products will be undoubtedly ensure a balanced diet. Okay. Then vegetable and pulses also, it should be included in your balanced diet. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, you know that already, and pulses are sources of protein and unsaturated fatty acids, and essential for body. And you can consume boiled or cooked vegetable 1 or 2 bowls daily. Okay, that means you should eat both the you can say boiled and cooked vegetables daily. Then for lunch you can have the following list of vegetables. In lunch you can take lettuce, cauliflower, broccoli. Broccoli is very much important for your health. You should eat broccoli every day. And spinach, tomato, carrots, cabbage, beans, lentils, bitter gourd, okra. Okra is one of the vegetables you should include in your daily diet. Then fruits are also the source of multivitamins, you know that, and minerals also. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, and you can consume a fruit dish every day for breakfast. Okay, that means you should eat one fruit every day. That are also natural source of carbohydrate and fibers, and you should eat fruits before your meal, so it would be more nutritious for your healthy body. Then some of the most healthy fruits are enlisted below. It includes apple, orange, grapes, lime, strawberries, bananas. You should include in your daily balanced diet. Then dairy products. Dairy products are not only rich in proteins but also unsaturated fatty acids. And a glass of skim milk is ideal for breakfast or before going to bed. Children can consume cream enriched milk. They are rich in calcium required for health of bones and teeth. Okay, so children, that means you should drink milk cream enriched milk. Okay. Then most of the nutrition dairy products, that would be milk, eggs, cholesterol free butter, and it will be easily available in bakeries, that cholesterol free butter, and cottage cheese and tofu. Okay, those tofu is not that much important, but besides of that, milk, eggs, cholesterol free butter and cottage cheese you must eat in your daily balanced diet. Then grains and cereals. A balanced diet must contain adequate proportion of protein. Cereals from an ideal source of carbohydrates. Pulses and grains are rich in fatty acid, you know that, and protein also. And whole grains contain nutritious substances like iron, magnesium and phosphorus, which plays vital role inside your body to makes you healthy, and that acts as a cofactor for enzymatic activities inside the body. The examples are, you can say, white bread, brown rice, oatmeal, that is oats, and pasta, soya bean, cereals, corns are also included in your balanced diet. And then other products you can have, there are some other sources of protein that play vital role for body's metabolism. For example, a piece of chicken or a fish, it considered healthy for lunch. Nuts and extremely loaded with omega 3 and essential fatty acids, and a vital component for a body. Then here the list of some dry fruits: walnuts, almonds, peanuts, chicken, lean meat, salmon, tuna. Salmon tuna is I think a fishish. So you should eat it and include it in your balanced diet. The mineral losses, so as you know that on page number 14 we have given some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparation. Here we have given that paragraph that cooking may losses the minerals present inside of vegetables or food. So squeezing of vegetables after boil, soaking in water after thin slice, parching, frying and stewing also losses the mineral, cause loss of minerals. How to reduce these losses? So when peeling the skin of vegetables na, so do peel as a thinly as possible. Okay, don't peel too much, just peel thinly. And do not cut vegetables into very small cubes, as is small parts come in contact with oxygen and destroying vitamins. Okay, so you should always cut a large pieces of the vegetables. And do not soak vegetables. If you must soak, use up the soaking water and knead dough, prepare soup and gravies. Okay, so this can be reduced losses of minerals. Then do eat with skin on whenever possible. Don't peel off the skin of carrots, radish. You can eat it directly. Salads should be prepared just before serving and should be served in a closed dishes to avoid exercises and exposure to air. And do not throw away the excess of water drains after boiling of vegetables. And the vegetable juice must be taken. So this is the washing of the rice. So washing of too much rice may cause the loss of nutrients. And also beans, washing of beans and all of that. So dear children, in this video we have studied about balanced diet. What should we eat, what should we not, and how much amount of balanced diet we should take in. Okay, how much amount of balanced diet we should prefer, and which kind of fruits, vegetables, you can say dry fruits, we have to take in in your balanced diet. So dear children, your today's homework will be, you have to write the definition of balanced diet in your copy and learn it and write it 5 times. I am repeating, you have to write down the definition of balanced diet in your copy, learn it and write down it 5 times in your copy. So this is it for today's. So for today, this is goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.